Welcome to the SIRS database tutorial. This tutorial gives you guidance on searching the SIRS database. The database provides pros and cons of leading issues. To access a database, log into My DTCC, select Student Resources, expand Library, and then select SIRS under the list of databases. There are several ways to access the information. One way is to browse leading issues. For this example, I'm going to select the subject Crime and Punishment. You can see all the leading issues available under the subject Crime and Punishment. I'm interested in research on prison reform, so I'm going to select Prison Reform. This brings me to the Prison Reform Leading Issues page. On this page, you'll find a summary of the topic, you'll find a main question, and research to back up 2 points of view. As you scroll down the screen, you'll see a list of critical questions on the topic. Below the list of critical questions, the database gives you a timeline which provides historical information. You will be given research on 2 different viewpoints. To access information, click on the title. On the top of the page, you'll see citation information, then a summary of the article, and then the full article. In the green box to the right, you have the option of saving, printing, or emailing the article. When you select email, you'll get this box, enter your email address, select Attach PDF, and then click on Email. If you select Cite in the green box, you will get a suggested citation. Dell Tech uses APA 7. The database gives you a suggested citation, but you need to check and correct the citation given by the database. Another way to search for information is by keyword. You can type in your keywords here and select Search, or you can click on Advanced Search. Advanced Search allows you to limit your search by source type, publication date, Lexile score, and primary resources. So for this example, I'm going to write search for prison reform, and I'm putting these 2 words in quotation marks because I want the database to give me results with these 2 words next to each other. Next, I'm going to limit my search by publication date within the last 12 months and select Search. The database found 35 results from my search, which you can see at the top. I can click on the title to find more information on the resource. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please contact the library if you have any questions.